So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you the real meaning of spirituality, basically the game of life. So I know this is looking very complex, the stuff I've written here. So this thing right here, see, this is the map of consciousness on the left. It goes from 0 to 1000 and these are the brain waves associated with this. If you feel this is too hard to understand, just chill, because I'm going to tell you what this means exactly. And these are chakras, or energy centers inside your body. And yeah, so the first thing that we need to understand is what is consciousness. So consciousness is basically just awareness. It's not your identity. It's the awareness that is in you. When you realize that you are just playing a game, that's why it's called a game of life, then you'll know it's what consciousness actually means. So your consciousness, basically you, can move from 0 to 1000 anywhere you want. That's why it's called the map of consciousness. Like you can go around anywhere in a map. You can go from 20, 30, 50 to 400. You can see what's written here: grief, desire, hatred, frustration, willingness, reason, joy, and all this stuff. Below 200 it's negativity, and above 200 it's positivity. Okay, and below 400 our left brain is working, and above 400 our right brain is working. Okay, and if you know some stuff about spirituality, you must be knowing about chakras. So these are the chakras. These are called root chakra. This is root chakra is related to survival. That's why it's written 200. This is the vibrational calibration. So somewhere here. So if you are down there, then your survival will be kind of in a danger situation. Like you will be very afraid that, oh my god, I'm gonna die, I don't have enough resources, I don't have enough money, I don't have food. And if this is balanced, all of this will be fine. You will not have all these emotions. So this is the Sacral Chakra, basically emotions and pleasure and stuff, 275. So it calibrates around somewhere here. You can see 250, 310. So you can just imagine 275 here, and this is somewhere here. If you're wondering what these little things are, these are actually notes for each of these chakras. So I'll not be talking about these in this video, because then this video will become too complex, as it is already looking right now. But trust me, it's easy. Maybe in the next video I'll talk in detail about what's written in these little notes. I'll zoom into these. Okay, and I'll also attach a link to the PDF. I'll make a PDF of this so that you can see what I have written here, what I have made. So then you can also zoom into this, because obviously it's PDF. You can just download it in your phone and you can zoom in little things. So yeah, let's talk about this one now. Solar plexus chakra. Basically this one is related to actions, leadership, and this also is calibrated somewhere here, 275. This one is heart chakra. This is calibrated somewhere here, because 505. Also you can see love, and 350 throat chakra somewhere here, 525 somewhere here, 600 crown chakra. And this is the chakra basically which will lead us to enlightenment, or very higher level of consciousness, in which monks or very high level meditators stay. This is this level, and this chakra needs to be at least working to experience something here. You can see a pattern here: red, red, orange, orange, yellow, yellow, green, green, and these colors, and this, and somewhat this, these colors and these colors. Also the rainbow, like how do we remember it? Vibgyor, right? So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So also the rainbow colors are somehow associated with this and this. So the real meaning of spirituality is that we are just playing a big game in which we are just moving from here to here, here to here, like wherever you want. And if you want to feel this spiritual feeling, or that you are connected to the whole universe, you have to be in these waves. I mean, you have to be in this vibration and be in these waves, delta waves or theta waves, because these are very slow. And when you are thinking very much, let's see these gamma waves in the lower vibrations, when you're thinking very much, whenever there is a spike here, it means you are making a conclusion that this thing is right, this is wrong, this is true, this is false, this is good, this is bad. So whenever you make a conclusion in your mind, it goes like this. But when you stop thinking, it goes like this. And when you stop thinking, then your waves are this, and then you can feel the higher vibrations. It's also called letting go. When we let go of all these emotions, when we let go of these, you see the spikes are less here. These are the beta waves. And when we let go of these also, then you go into the alpha waves, alpha. So the spikes are less here. In this level, your left brain and right brain are kind of working together here. And now these are theta waves somewhere here. So you have let go of many feelings and thoughts here, so your brain waves are very slow. And in delta waves, the brain waves are very, very slow, basically because you have let go of all of these. You're not making any conclusion, so it's kind of like just straight, very less spikes, you can see. So if you want to feel the spirituality feeling, basically you want to merge with the whole universe, you need to be in these brain waves. And the best way to do this obviously is meditation. I've made a different video on it, which meditations you can do. I'll put down the link in the description for that. I'll also add a card. Okay, so this is an explanation to tell you the real meaning of spirituality. Actually, when we see spirituality, we are not finding any meaning, because we are trying to stop thinking. And if you came here to watch this video and find the meaning, so basically your brain is going like this right now, or like this. But the goal is to feel that enlightenment feeling, or very connected to the whole universe feeling. You have to stop thinking. You have to stop making any conclusions and go into these waves. So yeah, so basically in this video I'm trying to explain to you the stuff, and I'm giving you logic for something which has no logic, which is already senseless, which is what it is, and you can't just do anything about it. It's the game of life, that's how it goes. So there is nothing to seek. Basically, when you are in these brainwaves, you'll feel like that, I need to find the meaning, I need to find something. But when you reach here, you'll know that there is nothing to find. It is what it is. It's just fine. So yeah, this is a brief explanation of the real meaning of spirituality by a very logical explanation of what's happening and what is the game of life. If you want more videos about these little things, I'll show you a glimpse of what I've written in this. Basically, these are just screenshots from some books. So as you can see, I've written, let me zoom in a little bit more. So yeah, so these are the chakras and stuff. So let's see the table for the crown chakra, the highest one. Excessive qualities are frantic worship, cynicism, balance. These, our goal is to be in balanced one. And this is for, I think, our throat chakra. This one is for our solar plexus chakra. Okay. This one is for our root chakra. This one is for our sacral chakra. This one is for our heart chakra. So our goal is to be in the balanced. So if you just want to see it more closely, you can just pause the videos here, because I'm not talking about this in this video right now. If you want me to make an whole explanation video of the chakras and the balanced qualities and the excessive and deficient qualities and how to balance this, you can just comment down and I'll make a video, as you say. Okay. And yeah, so these are just the tables about what this is. So this is it for this video right now. What has happened here, let's just fix it. Here we go. And yeah, this is it for this video. Tell me what else do you want me to make. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any more of these knowledgeable videos about spirituality. We'll not be talking about just spirituality, we'll be talking about our brain health, mental health, weird facts and health issues and all stuff. Basically all the interesting books, we're going to talk about those in this channel. So make sure to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.